Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making this life-changing drink. Yes, you heard me right. This is an amazing drink. It can change your life. Okay, so this is garden egg leaf, apple bangara, pineapple. I'll be making use of this large pineapple to sweeten this drink. Cucumber. We all know that pineapple contains a whole lot of vitamin C, okay? And the cucumber helps in hydration, has antioxidants, and so on. This is lime. I'm using just 2 lime and ginger to boost this amazing drink. So let's begin. Please remember, everything I'm using here has been washed. Make sure everything you are using, the fruits, vegetables, are properly washed. So I'm going to peel off the skin of the pineapple, cut into size, and repeat it for the cucumber, and that's just it. Talk a little bit about this garden egg leaf. Garden egg leaf is a life-changing leaf. It's a life-changing vegetable. It's super amazing. People eat it like that. Just imagine combining it with all these super fruits, from the pineapple to the cucumber, adding a boost with the ginger and the lime. You can imagine what it's going to do for your system overnight. Okay, so drink this for long life, for longevity, and for good health as well. Okay, if you're diabetic, please substitute the pineapple for apple. Green apple precisely. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to this channel. We are almost there. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough for all your support. I'm happy, like I'm excited. I can't imagine me when we are having up to 1,000 subscribers, up to 1,000 people watching me. It's amazing, guys. I'm super excited. Yes, that's the word. Thank you so much. Okay, please don't forget to make this drink for your elderly, for the elderly, for your parents, for yourself as well. You deserve a long life. So it's juicing time. I'm going to use the slow juicer to juice out all the yumminess from all the super fruit and the vegetable. This process is so enjoyable. Let's enjoy the process together. So look at the drink. The green, just the green color alone tells you this is life. Okay, green vegetable, green vegetation, green life. So go green, guys. I have no idea what I'm talking about, but I'm just excited to share this amazing recipe. It's going to blow your mind and it's going to change your life. Yeah, so we have come to the end of the juicing process. Now it's time for me to get a taste of this amazing drink. Oh yeah. So I hope you're going to try this. Consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing recipes. Yeah, I'm back. Thanks for watching. If you're watching to this point and you've not given us a thumbs up, why? Please, why now? Why you never give us thumbs up? Please give us a thumbs up, okay? So, see you in my next video. Bye.